Problem, students. A company had 5,006% redeemable preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid. These shares were due for redemption on 31st March 2005 at a premium of 10%. So 5,000 preference shares should be redeemed at a premium of how much? 10%. So to carry out the redemption, the company issued 1,250 equity shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 7.5%. So here the company is issuing equity shares at a premium of 7.5% to redeem the preference shares. So the company had a balance of rupees 25,000 in securities premium account and rupees 4,87,500 in profit and loss account. So we are supposed to pass the necessary journal entries. So listen here, students. So how much is the balance remaining in securities premium? 25,000. This amount should be utilized for the purpose of making the redemption of preference shares at premium. And this amount of 4,87,500 in profit and loss account should be treated as what? Divisible profit, which amount should be used for the purpose of redeeming the preference shares. So, first journal entry is for showing the amount due to preference shareholders. What is the journal entry? 6% redeemable preference share capital account data, premium on redemption of preference shares account data to redeemable preference shareholders account. So, 5 lakh to 50,000 premium, so total 5 lakh 50,000. Into 100 rupees students and 5,000 into 10 rupees premium. So, 5 lakh and 50,000. So this is the first journal entry for showing the amount due to preference shareholders. Second journal entry is, they say that the company is issuing the equity shares. How many equity shares? 1,250 equity shares of 100 each at a premium of 7.5%. So for this journal entry, when you are issuing shares, what is coming in? Cash. So they are issuing shares at premium. So what is the journal entry? Bank account data to equity share capital account. So debit what comes in, credit what goes on. To securities premium account. Why? Because when you are issuing shares at premium, it is a profit. The nominal account says debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. So here, so 1,250 into 7.5 and then 1,250 into 100. Sorry, 1,250 into 100. This should come here and this should come here. Okay, 1,250 into 100, 1,25,000, and 1,250 into 7.5, 9,375. Then here 1,250 into 117.5. So this is the amount that we have collected from share capital, and this is the amount from securities premium, which is available in securities premium. The third journal entry will be, so for making the payment to the preference share capital, we have to make the arrangements. How much is the amount due to the preference share capital here? 5 lakh. For this 5 lakh, we have to make the arrangements. Listen students, how much is required? 5 lakh. So, when by issuing preference equity shares, okay, how much is the amount that you have collected? 1,25,000. So, deduct this 1,25,000 rupees, 5 lakh. So how much we require? 3,75,000. This 3,75,000 is utilized from profit and loss account. They say that in the question, the profit and loss account is showing a balance of rupees how much? 4,87,500. So first make use of the fresh issue of shares. So how much amount was available from fresh issue of shares? 1,25,000. But how much amount we require? 5 lakh. So from 5 lakh you deduct 1,25,000. So you require 3,75,000 more. This amount can be utilized from profit and loss account, that is divisible profits. So profit and loss account data to capital redemption account. How much is the amount? 3,75,000. And similarly, we have to make arrangements for premium students. So how much is the premium payable? 50,000 on redemption. So for this, you are going to again make use of this amount which is available here. See here. So profit and loss account data to redemption of preference share capital, I have already told you. So this is the compound generated securities premium account data, profit and loss account data to premium on redemption of preference shares, to that is how much is the amount? 50,000. Here I am going to explain it to you. Securities premium account. So 25,000. So what is this 25,000 which is given in the problem? So how much was the amount available in securities premium? 25,000. But how much we need to pay? 50,000. So remaining 25,000. How we are going to make an arrangement? So securities premium you take 25,000 and then profit and loss account, and then you have one more securities premium in the second journal. Look here. So to securities premium, how much you have? 9,375. This amount also you add. So total securities premium available will be how much? 34,375. So if you deduct the 50,000 from 50,000, 25,000 plus 9,375, how much balance you need? 15,625. This 15,625 can be paid out of divisible profits. So this is a new adjustment, students. So how much was the amount of securities premium payable to preference shareholders? 50,000. So how you are making an arrangement? In the problem they had given that it is 25,000 is the balance remaining, and this 9,375 is the amount of securities premium when you have issued shares at premium. So total you get as 34,375. Still you need 15,625. For this you can take a profit and loss account balance. So what is the journal entry? Securities premium account data, profit and loss account data to premium on redemption of preference shares. Now finally make the payment to preference shareholders. So redeemable preference shareholders account data to bank account, how much? 5,50,000.